What is up, everybody? My name is Grayson, and today I'm going to be putting on my sunglasses because it's just too bright out here. Today I'm going to be shaking off the dust on a little live commentary action. I'm going to go over something that's very special to me, and I'm very proud of. It's my very first car that I've ever purchased on my own, and I think I've done a pretty good job. So without further ado, this is my 2015 Lexus RCF. This car is a 5.0 liter V8 naturally aspirated, makes 467 horsepower, which is pretty stout for it being a Lexus, I would say. I'm currently running the factory Brembo brakes on it. It does have Brembo brakes in the front and rear. I want to say it's 6-piston in the front. I want to say it's 4-piston in the rear. I'm not quite sure. I should know that. And then I've also added Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. When I first got it, it had Kumos on it. Didn't really like the Kumos at all, but I still got them in my garage just in case these wear out. Now, this thing grips like crazy. When I bought it, I did buy it pre-owned. I bought it with 55,000 miles, and now it's got 84,000 in about a year and a half. So I've been driving it. When I bought it, it did have an aftermarket set of pads and rotors on it. I think the rotors were from RR Racing. The pads were from Endless. The brake pedal to me felt a little spongy. So I wanted to change back to the factory setup just to feel the difference. And now that I'm on the factory Brembo, I'm probably going to lean more towards the lighter weight rotor that was on there and pad, because it just felt a little more nimble, and especially in the corners. And then another thing that the car had when I purchased it was valve exhaust. It's a Meister shaft exhaust. This is currently open. Listen to it sing. Very, very loud when it's open, but it sounds pretty good to me. And when it's closed, it's pretty stealthy. It's almost like factory. It's a little louder than factory when the valves are closed. But yeah, this is my first car really that I've purchased. It is a performance package car, so that means that it has a carbon fiber roof and a carbon fiber rear wing that is an active rear wing. Currently I have it just set up to be always up because I want to be showboaty, I guess. It's in showboat mode. It's got some cool things I really like. I like the triple beam headlights. Oh, by the way, I know a lot about this car, mainly just because I work for Lexus currently. I'm at a Lexus dealership, and when this car came in, that's how I bought it. I bought it pre-owned from my dealership, and when it came in, I wasn't a super big fan of the car. Like I've always heard that they're kind of heavy, kind of slow, whatever, until I drove it home and had the exhaust wide open. That's what really sold me on this car. And I figured, after showing it to mom, dad, the girlfriend, everybody, I figured this is probably something that I need to purchase. So other than that, performance package just gives you that roof and wing. Then you go to the inside. Actually, no, it doesn't. It gives you one other thing, which I can't really explain. Blah. Propane tank. Don't worry about it. I know that's probably not how I'm supposed to transport it. It does have a torque vectoring differential. You press the button. Oh gosh. Changes that little bottom mode from regular to slalom to track. It really just, when you're going into a turn, you can, as you get on the throttle, you can actually feel, if you're turning to the left, you can actually feel the right wheel spinning a little faster, if that makes sense. Like it feels like it's gripping a lot more, just because that differential is apparently smarter than me, so it can do that. You got heated ventilated seats, which is very, very cool. I've got the heat ventilated on right now. Wonderful. It's got navigation, no Apple CarPlay. Wish I could add Apple CarPlay, can't do that. And yeah, it's got, as you can see, it's got 84,000 miles. It's got this little gimmicky thing, if it'll load. It's got my tire pressures, blah, blah. It's got a G meter, how cool is that? And it's got the torque distribution from that differential, so you can actually see like which wheel's putting down the power and whatnot. So lap time stuff, I don't really mess with most of that because I haven't taken this on a track yet. Hopefully I will. But yeah, that's about it. It's a comfy car. It's my first car that I've bought, and I'm pretty dang proud of it. I drive it just about every single day, and at 25 miles a gallon, and my commute is 30 miles one way, I can't think of a better car to spend that journey in, and also be able to take it up to the mountains and go out and hang out with friends. And this really is quite the car for me. But anyway, hopefully that was not as terrible as I imagined it would be. Shaking off that dust from the live commentary. I will do a video in the future reviewing the entire car, but I just wanted to get some actual real life content out there just for now. But yeah, check it out. Look at that. Look at that. There's my car. Oh my gosh. So anyway, until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Like, follow, subscribe, whatever you guys do. And I'll see y'all in the next video.